Hi everybody, welcome again to another episode of Fish Keeping Jamaica. Welcome to my channel. Okay, so today I'm on another tour. Today I'm at Next to Nature. Next to Nature Pet Shop, plants and more. They deal with both plants, aquatic animals, or should I say creatures, and also your furry friends such as hamsters, rabbits, and so the like, birds and others, right? Okay, so but today I'll be focused on the filtration system. You know that I've been on a filtration system tour, right? I stopped at Hobby Hut, I stopped at Super Plants, Pets and more, and now I'm at Next to Nature, right? Okay, so I'm looking at Next Nature. I'm looking at the filtration system. Just like Super Plants, Pets, and more, they specialize in air filtration system, where which the air is actually being centralized. There's this huge air pump that is situated at the, at a high altitude, right? For those persons who are unaware, you cannot put the air pump lower than the aquarium itself, right? Doing so, you're practically asking for problems, because should in case there's a power surge or light, or the pump just stop working, what will happen is that the water will actually back siphon out, probably damage it, not probably, it will damage the pump, and the water will be lost from the system. So it is placed high above the tanks, right? One. Also, the air acts as a vacuum, wherein it carries, as it finds its way upward to the surface of the water, it carries with it the mess, the impurities, the solids that exist within the aquarium aquatic space, right? And this is normally trapped within a filtration mechanism. Here at this pet shop, they use what you call a corner box filter, right? So practically all of the aquariums are fitted with corner box filter, in tank corner box filter. Now, a point to note here is that this pet shop had more space about 5-6 years ago. It had more space. Right now it's roughly running between 8 to probably about 15. When I say 8 to 15, I mean like 8 feet times 15 feet in length and width, right? It's just getting smaller. And what is actually taking up the place at this pet shop is the great array of plants that exist outdoors, right? For those persons who have actually missed the video on the fulsome tour of this pet shop, you can check the video below, in which I post a link, and you can actually go straight to that video, where in which I actually did a comprehensive overview of the entire store. But today I'm talking about the filtration system. Now the filters are, well, the box filter, right? In tank box filter, right? And it actually gets its air from I would say a 2-inch a 2-inch pipe that is run, or should I say, that is placed at the top of the highest aquarium, right? And then probably about a few millimeter holes are drilled in it, and what do you call it now? A mechanism is placed in it, where the hose is actually attached, and the mechanism that attached the hose to the pipe, it has the ability of actually turning off the air. So therefore, if no tank is beneath and they need to suspend the flow of air from the pipe through to the hose into the aquarium, it can easily be turned off with a little valve switch, right? So looking at that, this is very neat. So there are several valve switch and air pump hose, what should I say, air hose, that is coming from this 2-inch pipe that is above the highest aquariums, right? this aquatic space is not all that attractive because the fish that are actually being kept here, sad to say, they are not really, to me, they are not really of one in which I would actually gravitate to. I just don't like the settings, right? You know, you have this thing they call ambience, and if your store actually lost the ambience to, you know, a welcoming ambience to the prospective customer, eventually you will actually lose customer. However, the plants that exist beyond the aquatic space that is actually mapped out within this property is far-reaching, it's attractive, and it have actually garnered a lot of support from persons, you know, interested in plants. And in Jamaica right now, the go-to hobby right now is plants and garden. I think one of the reasons for you know, the whole uh, coming out of aquatics is that a lot of persons are of the view that, you know, aquariums are just hard to manage, you know, keep up. Plants, you can just water them. You know, they just need primary care. But you know, talk about aquatics, they need both primary, secondary, and some cases tertiary care, right? And it's a lot of story to go into, so I won't even delve much in that, right? So the essence of this video is to share with you that you have different filtration mechanism, and next to nature actually use air filtration system. Thank you very much for watching. Have a wonderful day, guys. I know that this video is kind of longish, but I hope you appreciate it. Peace out, guys. Catch you next time. Bye bye. Peace out.